What jobs could I get with my major? Which employers tend to hire people with my degree? Are these familiar questions for you? You're not alone. Many students may be wondering what career options are out there. If that's you, keep watching. With over 24,000 employers connected with SNHU on Handshake, combing through hundreds of job postings to determine what might be relevant can be a tough place to try and begin. If you can relate to this, you'll want to check out the collections feature in Handshake. Collections help drill down to relevant options as a starting point and can make the internship or job search process less overwhelming. You can always explore beyond collections past that starting point and even refer to them throughout your career exploration process. Let's get started with how you can find the collections that are the best fit for you based on interests, majors, and other affinities. To access SNHU collections, click the Career Center from your Handshake homepage. Scroll to the Southern New Hampshire University Collections section. Click View All Collections to browse the full list in alphabetical order. Select one of the collections to explore in more detail. For example, let's select the Employers to Explore Social Sciences. This collection features more than 50 employers along with their current internships and job postings. Explore the Jobs tab with the collection to review available opportunities, or select the Employers tab to explore the profiles of curated companies and organizations that actively recruit social sciences majors. Collections can be a powerful tool to provide focus for your job search. Follow a collection to receive updates to your inbox when new employers, internships, or job opportunities are added. Connect with the SNHU Career Services team, other career exploration, best practices, or additional career guidance. Email cocecareer@snhu.edu or call 888-672-1458.